Hello friends, I am here to talk about the Guinness Book of World Records holder RK HIV AIDS Research and Care Center. Dr. Dharmendra Kumar, who heads this organization, he does commendable work in the field of medicine. He organizes a lot of camps and he distributes free medicine all over the country. Many camps have been organized. In fact, I was also present on the day when the Guinness Book of World Records people had come to Mumbai and they recorded its name in the Guinness Book. You will be surprised to know that he's not only a great organizer, but he's also a great motivator. He mobilizes a lot of resources. He is able to get the support from very prominent people in the society, including honorable ministers. Some of the chief ministers have come and attended his campaigns and medical camps. Stars, film stars, as well as bureaucrats and some very important and hardworking politicians who have been supporting him. He has been blessed with many of the religious leaders from almost all the religions in the country. He has been doing excellent work against the corona. And recently he launched a campaign in 50 villages in Bharuch district of Gujarat, where he has distributed food items.
जिस वक्त शुरुआत हुई है पेंडेमिक की हिंदुस्तान में, तब से हमारी टीम पूरी रातों दिन इस पर लगी हुई है.
He has distributed masks, he has distributed sanitizers, and he has been spreading awareness against the coronavirus. Lot of support has come from him, from all the villages, and his volunteers, his doctors, his nurses, they are all very devoted.
तो हमारी कोशिश है कि चाहे कितना भी ज़रूरत हो, हम आगे बढ़ चढ़ करके हम अपने पूरी टीम के साथ में, पूरा अपने वॉरियर के साथ में, अपने पूरे वॉलंटियर के साथ में, हम किसी को भूखा ना रहने देने का हमारा एक संकल्प है. हमारी कोशिश रहेगी कि हम अपने संकल्प में सक्षम रहें.
I wish him all success.